morning, dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what we can see here on the daily time frame is that the last 3 days we basically have the sideways regime, and we'll zoom in this chart so we can see that the price, we have the resistance at 1.0660 and the support I will say at 1.0580. So as long as the market is trading sideways, you know, the weak money flow, the intraday traders are in control, but I would like to see the bigger and the breakout of this trading range to confirm potential for potential bigger movement. So in case of the breakout of 1.0660, watch for the upside opportunities towards the 1.0735, and in case of the downside breakout of this trading range, watch for the downside opportunities and the price and the target to the price of 1.0530 or 1.0500 mark. If we speak about the gold market, we had a rally yesterday, if we check the daily time frame, but the market is trading in this pin bar territory at 1820 and 1825. Market is pulling back. This might be the bull flag, but since the previous day was such a big trend day, and we have still weekly time frame in the inside of the previous day range, so I will not say still this is some favorable breakout or something. So be very careful for the upside continuation based on the current breakout, and especially this pin bar territory. If we cannot break 1822 mark, and if you see some kind of divergences or fail to retest the high, actually there can be some potential for the downside rotation towards maybe a 1800 mark. If you speak about the crude oil, we had actually we got a breakout this morning. So we have the 3-day range breakout, and market is in the breakout mode. A weekly time frame is making higher high, and the next pivot level is at 8220. If we check 8220, so there is still plenty of potential for the market to rally towards the multi-week highs. So watch for the buying opportunities on the dips. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, yesterday we had I will say recovery day. Market took the highs of the previous 3 days, so that's that day was actually strong upside reaction. But if we check the weekly time frame, nothing really changed. The last week there was a big supply bar entered, and so far I don't see. I see just consolidation here. This tiny consolidation. So in case of the downside breakout of 16,700 mark, there is a chance of retest of 16,400 mark. In case of the breakout of the previous day high or 70,050, there is a chance for the market to rotate even higher towards 70,480. Okay, that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.